Hello everyone, have you watched my old tutorial about how to draw this Chiara backdrop and the decoration material? If you haven't and interested to watch, click here for the old videos. On today's tutorial and the following video, I will pick some of them to make a combination and then print out and make the backdrop in reality. Okay, now on today's video, I will make a design like this. Okay, this is today's design. Let's make them in reality. Okay, so I passed the design to the factory and asked them to print and cut for me. Okay, now let's install the backdrop. Look, this is the folding backdrop, so it could help to save the place. But the shortage is, look, there's a crease. Okay, now let's set up our backdrop. And then carefully turn it over. Then use the tape. Any tape will be okay to stick on the place which we fold the backdrop. Look, this is our arch. And then let's put a stand on these two left. Look, put our stand on the left. You can use smaller stand. My stand is a little bit large. If you are interested for the detail of all type of the stand, click here for the old tutorial. And then let's use some tape to slightly stick the stand and the backdrop. Slightly will be okay because we will adjust the place of the stand and the ball after we stand it up. Okay, since our arch is tall, so we need to extend the stand. This is adjustable stand. Put it on display. Okay, one leg was down and also the other side. And then let's stand it up. Okay, this is the effect after I stand up the stand. And then we need to tear off the tape and adjust the place of the backdrop and the stand. Okay, I will adjust the backdrop and officially stick them together and show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I stand up the arch. And then look at this detail. I use a clip to kick the backdrop together with the stand because we have to make it sure it will sturdy on the stand. Okay, then I also make another backdrop. The procedure are the same, so I didn't show you the detail. And then I will move it in the middle of the arch. I will show you the effect. Look, this is the effect after I move the small backdrop to the middle. And look, there's a problem I found. Look at the base. Since I always consider to stable or safe for event decoration, so I use a very large stand. So the base is large and my backdrop is small. Actually, we can use another stand. A smaller stand will be okay. But anyway, when we decorate an event, there will be a lot of problem. But anyway, we can solve it. We can use some fabric, use some flower to cover it. Or after we put on other decoration, the base could be high. Okay, let's go on. And now, let's put the flower arrangement on the arch. Okay, look, let's check the effect. The detail about how to make the flower arrangement, you can check my old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Actually, we should make it larger. But anyway, go ahead. And about how to put the flower arrangement on the backdrop, very simple. I use two methods. This small one, I can use this follow foam with the clip. Look. This is a follow foam with a clip. So after we insert the flower on the flower foam, so we can direct click on the backdrop will be okay. Okay. And for this large one, you can use a larger flower foam with the clip. But if you don't have that flower foam with the clip, look, you can use a follow foam to insert the flower. Tie the flower foam and the flower arrangement on a foam ball, a KT ball, and then use the click to click the foam ball, KT ball together with the backdrop. That will be okay, very easy. Okay, now let's check the effect. And then let's stick our sign on the middle of the backdrop. About how to make the sign, you can check my old tutorial also, but actually very simple. You can ask someone, ask the factory, ask the shop to make for you, or you can use the gold cardboard and cut it by yourself. Just stick with the group or double face tape will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, now look, let's check the effect. Better? You can make it larger. But anyway, let's go ahead to set up the pedestal. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Also, the flower arrangement we made. Okay, look, this is the effect after I set up the pedestal and put the flower arrangement on the floor. And now, let's put on our cake. Okay, let's check the effect. Our cake, the pedestal and the flower. And then, together with our backdrop. This is the whole effect. If you want it much more pretty, you can put some light on the floor. So to make the backdrop much more bright. Okay, look from the top and from the bottom. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. For your information, if you want to make your own backdrop, you can contact me for the design. We can how to change color, design different shade, different type of the backdrop, print out and send to you. Also, we surprise the flowers, leaf, pedestal. Almost all the material used on the video. So if you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link to the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.